Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. In its latest article, the International Monetary Fund noted strong progress in reducing debt, stabilizing inflation, and strengthening foreign reserves by the Jamaican government. Despite hurricane-related setbacks, the economy is projected to recover, with public debt expected to fall to its lowest in 25 years. MBJ Airports Limited, the operator of Sangster International Airport, has announced 2 new routes to Canada for the winter 2025-26 season to Ottawa and Halifax. The routes will be operated by Air Canada, enhancing connectivity between Jamaica and North America. Additionally, there will be increased frequencies on existing routes to Toronto and Montreal, with Toronto adding 3 more weekly flights and Montreal adding 1 more. In corporate results, with Cinco Group Limited unaudited financials for the 9 months ending March 31, 2025, reports a 12% decline in 9 months net profit. Now over to Jamaica Teas Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending March 31, 2025, which reports a 6 months net loss of $9.4 million. Caribbean Cement Company Limited financial results for 2024 shows net income rising to 6 billion Jamaican dollars compared with 5.6 billion in 2023. For the trading period ending May 8, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 12,431,116 units traded, representing 44.17% of market sales volume. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaica Highway Limited with 2,883,605 units traded, representing 10.25% of market sales volume. Billboard advertising and real estate developer Kintyre Holdings Jamaica Limited with 1,630,730 units traded, representing 5.79% of market sales volume. We now shift our focus to the Forex market rates set by the Bank of Jamaica. On May 8, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $53.69 million purchased and US $59.93 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.78 per dollar, selling the US at $159.93 and buying the US at $158.15. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $6.28 per transaction, with selling at $116.43 and buying at $110.15. The British pound yielded Forex traders $1.68 in profit, with selling at $211.75 and buying at $210.07. For our credit report tip of the day, when you're building a business from the ground up, every dollar counts and every decision matters. For small traders and retailers who are bootstrapping their way forward, access to funding can feel out of reach. And that's why improving your personal credit score can be the key to unlocking the support you need. Many of the banks, credit unions, the development bank, they check your credit report before they issue funding. And therefore, it is incredibly important for you to make sure you clear up errors, get rid of mistakes, and manage to pay what you can and have a conversation with your banker so that you can understand how to improve your credit score. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step towards your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.